Hi, this is Dr. Chris Gubbels with the Square One Tip of the Week. And over the next few weeks, I'm going to be giving a few things that focus on things you can do for neck pain. And one of the biggest causes of neck pain is lack of mobility or stiffness. So today I'm going to go over some simple stretches that you can do throughout the day to increase your overall mobility and range of motion. And we're going to target on 3 different areas. We're going to work on the muscles in the front, the muscles on the side, and the muscles in the back. So one of the first things that we're going to do is you have these muscles that go from your skull all the way down to your shoulder blade. And they're called your levators, and we're going to work on stretching those first. So to do that, what you should do is you're going to take your nose at a 45-degree angle, and you're just going to pull it down like so. And you should feel this stretching right in, and it should go from your skull all the way down to your shoulder blade. And you'd want to do that about 30 seconds to 40 to 45 seconds. So you would do your right side and then go right on over to your left. And you'll feel that stretching right in here. Now after you do that, we want to stretch the muscles on the side. And to do that, you're just going to let this side drape. If you're sitting down, you can actually grab on the bottom of your chair. And you're going to pull. You're going to keep your nose straight, so don't turn like this. Just going to pull straight to the side, and you'll feel that stretching from your skull all the way down into your shoulder. You would do one side, and then go ahead and follow and do the other side. And notice I just let my arm drop down and to get a nice stretch. Now to work on your range of motion here, a nice one is just to take your head and turn it as far as you can to the right, and then over to the left. And you really want your chin and nose to eventually get close to your shoulder here. And you can just take your hand and pull a little bit and induce a little stretch right in there. And I would do both sides, left and right, for about 30 seconds to 45 seconds. And then one that you can do to stretch these muscles in the front, when your head goes forward like this, when you're working on computers, these muscles get very short and tight. And so a nice way to stretch those is just to kind of look up and back like so. Feel the stretch, take your hand here in your chin and just give it a little assistance. You should feel everything in here getting a nice pull. So once or twice throughout the day, taking a minute just to get more mobility, more range of motion, stretching those muscles is one of the most more effective things you can do just to relieve overall neck pain and tension in your upper neck and upper back.